The Robotime Rocker Swing Ride from Aspen of Hereford Limited. A 289-piece build-your-own replica model of this classic fairground ride. Made from laser-cut wooden pieces for an incredible level of detail, the swing ride has been styled with a retro theme including two-colour canopy, decorative eaves and central pillar. At the press of a button, the ride will come to life with lights and music as the canopy and central pillar rotate, creating a wonderful atmosphere to entertain and delight. Recommended for 14 years and up. Made with forest-friendly timber, natural soy inks and recyclable packaging. It makes a perfect gift. It measures 27 centimetres tall, 22 centimetres wide, 22 centimetres deep and takes 3 AAA batteries.